to ABC Learn.
We help our mommy clean the house, clean the house, clean the house. We help our mommy clean the house all day long. We pick up toys and put them away, put them away, put them away. We pick up toys and put them away. We're helpful today. We wipe the table round and round, round and round, round and round. We wipe the table round and round. Look how it shines. We sweep the floor, swish, 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 swish. We sweep the floor, swish, swish, swish. Dirt goes away. We make our bed so neat and nice, neat and nice, neat and nice. We make our bed so neat and nice, tucked in tight. We dust the shelves up high and low, high and low, high and low. We dust the shelves up high and low. Watch us go. We sort the laundry by the colors, by the colors, by the colors. We sort the laundry by the colors, whites and blues. Now our house is clean and bright, clean and bright, clean and bright. Now our house is clean and bright. We did it right. Mommy gives us a great big hug, great big hug, great big hug. Mommy gives us a great big hug. We love to help.
If you like it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time!